Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. My name is Tanush Patro. I am from Mishida of Purva Medinipur district. I am 14 years old.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, everybody. My name is Minmoy Khada. I am 14 years old. I am from Kaurchondi, Amalhanda, Purba Medinipur district.
Good morning, ma'am, and good morning, everyone. My name is Shomili Manna. I am from Misda Puro Medinipur district. I am 16 years old.
So today we are discussing about how we will do our summer projects. So I think there are 5 to 6 projects are given by our school teachers to us.
I think there are 7 to 8 projects are given to us by our school teachers.
Only eight projects given our teacher to us.
Okay, so Mrinmoidi, which subjects are selected for the projects?
Only 7 to 8 projects are math, physical science, life science, history, geography, English, Bengali, and all summer project are gives us given by our school teachers. And so many things you tell.
Eight projects are math, history, Bengali, geography, physical science, life science, and there's etc. in our project. And
And I think um, math, English, physical science, life science, and history subject is selected for our summer project, and that are given to us by our school teachers. And I think which ma'ams give you this summer projects?
Our summer project given to us by um, Sushmita Chaudhuri ma'am.
Okay.
All summer project
Okay,
and
so
all part by part is our school project and this given us Bengali Sabna ma'am, math Chandana ma'am, history history Seli ma'am, geography Priya ma'am, and any etc. given us to our school teacher.
and now Somilidi, tell us.
our summer project given by our head sir, and math given assistant head sir, English Deepak sir, and history Tapos sir,
Yes.
আর হচ্ছে যে বেঙ্গলি শিবশঙ্কর স্যার এক্সেট্রা and which teacher given your project detail.
Okay, so our summer projects are given by one teacher only. That is Pranab. The sir name is Pranab Bhattacharya, who is our head master. Pranab Bhattacharya sir. And now, Mrinmoidi, tell how you will do the summer projects, and have you completed all the summer projects?
Um, no, I have no completed all our summer project. Our summer project is completed, but our school project only subject is not completed.
Okay.
Some is completed that example history, geography, math, physical science, and Bengali is completed. Other only 3 projects are incompleted. Uh,
And now, Somilidi, tell, uh, did you completed all the summer projects before your summer vacation?
No, I have no completed our my all summer project. Math, history, and geography. It's not completed. Others all subject I completed.
Okay. So now Mrinmoidi, tell me, uh, how many?
এক মিনিট তনুজ, you
Yes.
can tell, you tell,
What?
you
What
what
about?
your which subjects are completed of project.
Okay, so I have completed all the subjects of summer project. So I don't have any summer project to do in this summer vacation. Now I am free of summer projects.
Wow,
So
it's very nice.
okay, so now I am questioning you, Mrinmoidi. So you are now reading in class 9. So how many pages you have to buy for doing all the summer projects? I want to just know your experience.
One copy projects মানে actually our given on this shop market I bought some file.
Channel files.
No
Channel.
মানে files,
Okay, okay, okay.
project
Files.
books.
Oh,
I
okay.
bought project books. I bought. There are many pages, but it's was 60 or no. Only six pages.
Was there six pieces?
Was there for the project books, but it is শেষ হয়ে গেছে. It is
Okay, it is finished.
finished the first term. Our second term I bought the market one copy pages
Okay.
মানে file one file.
Okay, so I am what I know from you that it's very hard to do projects when you are reading in class 9. So now so Militi tell, so now you are reading in class 10. So how are you experience how is your experience of your summer projects, like how many pages you have bought and how much you have to write in your projects, that you tell.
Already, I finished 60 or 70 pages in our summer project.
Okay,
Uh,
60 or 70.
uh,
Oh.
but yeah,
Okay, you have also,
I
but
have,
but you have your
but
many projects to do.
my in history and math project also not finished. Then
Okay, so your
I think I brought
math and history projects is not finished
finished
yet.
yet. I think I bought some pages in some days.
Some extra pages. Okay, 60 to 70 pages you have to write.
Yes.
So I am in reading in class.
Possible, but our projects is very hard and many pages was given written hours written us. And life science and physical science and etc subject um, we we write with drawing and etc.
Okay, so now I also have to buy. I think I don't have to just work so hard to do project because I am in class 8. So I have to bought I think 10 pages for every subject, and I just want to know your experiences because I don't have to just face with the hard experiences like you. And now Mrinmoidi tell, uh, are you are doing the summer projects, or you are there all the summer projects, or you will get number when you will do the summer projects? Any number? No number আছে summer project.
No, summer projects has no number, but our school projects has a number of only 10 numbers.
Okay.
Without 50 numbers our on without 40 numbers our exam and only 10 numbers our project and total 50 numbers exam.
Okay, so which subjects have this numbers type project? মানে কোন কোন সাবজেক্টে এই প্রজেক্টগুলো আছে নাম্বারের প্রজেক্ট?
All subjects.
All
They are
subjects.
all subjects.
Okay. So for 10 numbers, how much you have to write? How many pages you have to write?
Only 10 numbers. I write only um
How many pages?
only 10
One
to,
pages.
no.
What? 10
10 to 12 pages I write.
means for one number you have to write one page.
Huh.
Wow.
One subjects I write one subjects by for 10 to 12 pages. And
Wow. I am just amazed. I am just surprised. Oh, I okay. So now I know how much you have to work for your studies and for your. I think not for your studies. You have to work so hard for your projects. So today that's all about this summer projects, and thank you.
thank you.
Thank you.